Alright, so I'm 3 months into my business. This video I'm about to show you guys right now is me when I just started. Before I started, actually, sorry. It's just how I started with my sales pitch. And after the video, if you guys wait till the end, I'll show you how everything's going and how I'm doing things now compared to when I started. And if I changed a lot or if I stayed the same. So I'm gonna be telling you guys all the information you need. And this video was 3 months ago or more. So just keep that in mind. I've been coming up with like my sales pitch, and so I have it all written out, right? I typed it out using AI, all right? AI helped me with everything on here pretty much. My sales pitch, I'll read it out. So I start off, hi, my name's Ethan. Do you currently get your trash cans cleaned regularly? Great. Or I'll say, well, depending on whatever they say. So I say, great, I offer a specialized service to clean trash bins, removing grime and odors to keep them looking and smelling fresh. My service is convenient and affordable. We use eco-friendly products. Would you be interested? If they say yes, so I have it written out. If yes, I have a straightforward pricing structure. It's $30 for the first bin and only $10 for the second, each additional bin. And I do that because it's just one bin. Oh, if it's only $10 to clean my second one, why don't I get them both done, right? So it's literally $40. Like, it just looks cheaper. And then I'll say, like I mentioned before, I use eco-friendly cleaning products that are safe for the environment and effective at removing tough stains and odors. And I don't have to give them the information of but if they ask at the end, I will. So then I say the process is simple. I'll come by after school on the day that the trash is taken, so it's empty. I will make sure your bins are thoroughly cleaned and left in great condition. If you would like me to, I could even roll your trash bins away wherever you keep them. For payment, we could figure that out however you like. Do you have any additional questions? Any questions about the service or how it works? And boom, I start answering their questions if they have any. If they say, nope, this is good, I tell them like how I normally, I haven't started yet, but normally do like the payments. So then, and I have ideas already. So I understand, thank you for your time. I appreciate you considering my service. I could leave the door open. If you ever find yourself needing a trash bin cleaning service in the future, feel free to reach out. I'll be here to help. Or provide contact information, which will also probably be with the leave the door open. Here's my contact information in case you change your mind or have any questions later on. And then I'll provide your contact details or business card. And then I'm gonna offer a follow-up. Would it be okay if I check back with you in a few months to see if you might be interested then? I can also send you some information via email if you prefer, and then express appreciation. Thank you again for your time. Have a blessed day. So basically, I'm about to make bank. No, but actually, it's gonna be crazy. And that's just gonna be door to door. That's crazy to think that was only 3 months ago, right? And I say it all the time. 3 months ago, 3 months ago, 3 months ago. But really, it only takes a little amount of time. This is all you need to do. Get onto a sales pitch. Once you have a sales pitch, you're winning. Go door to door, right? What I did was I waited too long, right? Now, I did this sales pitch, I used this, but what I also did was I was worried about trying to get it wrong. Once you realize you go door to door, your sales pitch is gonna switch so much, it doesn't even matter. It doesn't matter. So I went door to door. Now I can just go out, just I ask the question, I just go with it. I don't really say my sales pitch anymore. I just go with it, and then I explain to them, like, yeah, I need to learn my sales pitch more because it'll get me more people, but actually, I'm doing just fine, all right? Watch my next videos, watch my YouTube shorts coming up. I'm gonna be teaching you guys more of what you need. Just get these steps down, go door to door. Don't even worry about the products yet, right? You can use a hose.